Hey friends, welcome back. So this week it's been crazy, and more importantly, I somehow miraculously made money. I'm going to run through what I did and how did it actually lead to profits, but more importantly, what is going on with the market that's so crazy this week, and more importantly, how it affects or what I think is going to happen next week. And to be honest, I'm no professional. I don't exactly know what's going on, but somehow I managed to scrape by. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Gerald, and I am very passionate about investing, as you can see from the shirt that I'm wearing. I just happen to be a guy that got lucky, that managed to, invest well, and am able to live off both investing and YouTubing online. How I made money this week was two main things primarily. Number one, I made three things in particular. Number one, I made two YouTube videos this week, which made me money. So I'm thankful for those of you who support me by watching this video. And number two, I do cryptocurrency mining, which is running in my room right now, so it still makes money. I think it made about, I don't know, $500 this week, so that's cool. That's cool, right? Then number three, I sold options this week. So I thought I was going to lose a lot of money because the market kept climbing, and I always sell iron condors. It's a particular investing strategy or trading strategy in which you make money if the market stays flat. Like if the market have absolutely no idea what's going on, just like I do, I make money. So that's the strategy. But the market just kept going up and up and up. On Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I thought I was going to lose like $500 to $1,000 this week. But guess what? On Thursdays and Fridays, market just decided, nope, I'm not going up today. It just went back down. And so I made like, I think $500 this week. So yeah, I was really lucky for my Airbnb option, my Tesla option, because the market was undecisive. So enough about that. Let's talk about what's going on in the market this week. Well, two very key themes happen on Thursdays and Fridays. But before Thursdays and Fridays, let's talk about Mondays to Wednesday. Mondays through Wednesday, market was just optimistic as hell. Like the market was thinking, hey, it's time to dance again, and they start to buy all the tech stocks. They start to buy, all your cryptocurrencies. And the market was like booming. I think cryptos went up like 10+%. And I bought like the AXS token because I play Axie Infinity, and that shot up by 20%. Even the SLP token shot up like triple of its value. That's just mind-boggling. So yeah, that's what happened on Monday through Wednesday. Optimism returned to the market. But on Thursdays, the market was uncertain because the CPI data was out. And before CPI data was out, the market was green, expecting like fantastic results. But you know what? CPI data proved everyone wrong by showing that it is the highest CPI record ever for like 40 years, and that's for the United States stock market, by the way. On a more personal note, I noticed that inflation in Singapore, it's getting crazy. Like roses for Valentine's this week is like double. Like one stock of rose is like $50. Yeah, it's boom, one rose, $50. Like what do you feed this rose? I also started researching on the Singapore inflation data, and guess what? Singapore's inflation is also at an all-time high. Yeah, this world is going to, like right now, because of inflation. Like my money is getting worthless by the day. So that's one key theme that happened this week. And another very key theme that happened this week, which was on Friday. In fact, Friday was kind of a green day at the start of the day. I thought I was going to lose money, but Russia saved my portfolio in a bad way. So what happened was that there was a news source that is from a reliable source that said that Russia may attack Ukraine as soon as like next week, and that's scary shit. Think of World War III scary. Actually, I honestly don't know how scary it is, but the market is spooked, and therefore it started like crashing down hard. And because I bet that the market would stay flat throughout the week, I made money. So that's what happened. And honestly, the market is just crazy for this whole week, and I've absolutely no idea what to expect, what's going to happen next week. Typically YouTubers would say like, oh, the market is going to hell, it's going to be depressing. They also say things like, sell off all your cryptos and sell off all your stocks. But honestly, nobody believes that stuff. Nobody acts on that stuff. And I'm not going to fake it to pretend like I know what's going to go on and tell everyone to buy Tesla at like $900 because it's cheap, because right now it's like $820 kind of. So yeah, I have absolutely no idea what to buy, but I have a few key ideas on what I think historically, based on what I've read, would do well in the upcoming market. So I'm just going to share what I've learned. Don't take my advice, I'm some random guy on the internet, but here's what I thought. In times of war, things that don't do well would be your luxury goods, you know, your Nike, your Prada, your Adidas. These tend to do badly. These tend to do quite badly in times of war because nobody wants to spend on those kind of goods. And on average, the market tends to fall about 15%, so that's how much you can expect the market to fall based on a research paper I read. And on the other hand, we have inflation, which is also a very persistent problem. In fact, it's very high and it's very aggressive. So what we can expect in times of high inflation is for energy and gold and fast-moving consumer goods to perform really fast. So like your Sunco Energy, your Bearings Gold, and that's for your commodities and gold. So your oil, energy and gold. And for fast-moving consumer goods, you're looking at companies like your Pepsi and Coca-Cola. These companies tend to do very well during times of high inflation. Why? Because everybody needs to drink Coke, right? I think. So that's what I think is going to happen. I honestly think crypto is going to do very badly for the short term, but do like super well in the long term. Because theoretically, Bitcoin is supposed to be a hedge for like crazy market inflation, but it's acting more like a tech stock that gets beaten down every time bad tech news pop up. So I think Bitcoin is going to serve its true purpose. I don't know what's going to happen, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue mining cryptocurrencies because it's profitable as hell. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue mining cryptocurrencies because it's profitable as hell. Yield farming because it's extremely high interest rates. And I'm also going to sell options. I'm going to start selling options more because my renovation is almost complete. So I'm going to sell options and hope I make money from market indecisiveness until at least the Fed meeting. But right now, the Fed is going to have an emergency meeting next week. So I'm just going to sit by till it's over. After the emergency meeting, I'm just going to sell and profit off indecisiveness until Jerome Powell's Fed interest rate talk in 15th of March. Hope I got the date right. That's what I'm looking at because I think that's going to really, really impact the market. That's going to be big news. Interest rate hike, bing, and we're all going to lose money. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry this is not scripted. I just wanted to kind of share my behind the scenes on a Saturday evening because I have not planned anything very interesting that I can tell because honestly, the market's crazy and I have absolutely no idea. So that's why I want to be crazy passionate and just share with you my love for the stock market news and that I have absolutely no idea what's going on, but I hope to make money and I hope not to lose money. So if you want to stay tuned to whether I make money or lose money, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next week. Take care, folks, and stay safe from COVID. Bye. Peace.